Spanning the Continental Divide and expanding from northwest Montana into the Canadian provinces of Alberta and British Columbia is Glacier National Park. Here, on the border of Montana, sprawls 1 million acres of national park, one of the world's great mountain landscapes. After centuries of silence, broken only by birdsong, the moanings of a train whistle. Billows of smoke. Steam power. With multiple blasts through the Rocky Mountains, the Great Northern Line completed America's first continental railroad. Passengers were encouraged to deboard at the newly created Glacier National Park. Glacier National Park itself is a garden of ice sculpture, as though chiseled by some titan, some mythic Michelangelo. Hiking among myriad glaciers, nearly 100 of them. 10,000 years ago, these mountains were overwhelmed by onslaughts of ice. Ice in juggernaut descents down mountainsides. Gouging, scooping out valleys. When the ice melts, land emerges, making lakes of meltwater. The harsh landscape is softened by a down of shy grass. Forests grow. Flowers bloom. And wildlife proliferates. Many areas in the park have boardwalks to protect the fragile flora. For the seasoned outdoorsman, a monumental hike on the park's myriad trails may be the choice. These trails span most of the park, north to south. From the banks of glacial lakes to alpine heights. Glacier National Park is more than a preserve. It is an outreach to Waterton Lakes National Park in Canada, an alpine backfence over which America and Canada clasp each other's hands and say, "Peace, neighbor." And so these two parks, Canada's and America's, form the world's first international peace park. Waterton Glacier, memorializing the longest unguarded border on Earth. This is the crown of the continent.